Welcome students, let us discuss a very interesting question from the chapter sets. These questions are based on union of sets, how to find union of sets when sets are given. So this question is having in fact 7 parts. So we have to given set A, set B, set C, set D. All these 4 sets are given. We have to find A union B, A union C, B union C, B union D, A union B union C, A union B union D, and B union C union D. So let us do these problems one by one. Let us start with A. First we have to find out A union B. And here A is a set having elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Union another set B is having elements 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have to find out union of these two sets. So as we know that union of two sets is a set which consists of all the elements from these two sets, from both the sets A and B. Okay, so you see, if you collect all these elements, then 1, 2, 3, 4 is here, 3, 4, 5, 6 is here. So we are getting elements here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the answer. Okay. So some of the elements are repeated in both the sets, are available in both the sets. As for example, 3 is available in both the sets and 4 is available in both the sets. But as we know, we will write only once in the union of two sets here. So the union of two sets A and B is a set having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have collected all the elements from both the sets, giving us union of sets A and B. Similarly, second is A union C. So A is having elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Union C is having element 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So union of these two sets, again we have to collect all the elements from both the sets. So here in this set having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, here 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is union of two sets A and C. Now let us see third part of this question, B union C. Set B is having elements 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and union C is having elements 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So what will be union of these two sets B and C? Again we have to collect all the elements from both the sets. So here members elements will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This will be the answer here. Next part of this question, B union D. B is having elements 3, 4, 5, 6. Union D is having elements 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. And union of these two sets, collect all the elements from these two sets. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the answer. And next, fifth, here we have to find A union B union C. We have to find union of three sets A, B and C. So let us write the elements of these sets. Set A is having elements 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Union set B is having element 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. And set C is having element 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So let us find union of these three sets A, B and C. Here as similar, we have to collect all the elements from all the three sets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the answer here. Okay. Now next, sixth, A union B union D. A union B union D. Set A is having elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Union set B is having elements 3, 4, 5, 6. And set D is having elements 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. So let us collect all the elements from these three sets to get union of these three sets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. This will be the answer. And last part, seventh is B union C union D. B union C union D. Here set B is having elements 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Union set C. Set C having elements 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Union D. D is having elements 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So here also we have to collect all the elements from all the three sets. So here elements will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This will be the answer. This is union of these three sets B, C and D. So very interesting and very simple question, but questions are asked generally in examination also. So you have to command over these questions also. So thank you very much for watching this video. So students, keep watching my videos and enjoy learning mathematics. Have a good command over this chapter sets, and this is very interesting chapter. So thank you very much. Wish you all the best.